Google also planning to launch a Pixel Fold foldable phone next year, and the company's already confirmed that its Pixel tablet will launch at some point next year. We've been hearing about a foldable Pixel phone from Google for some years now, but it seems as if the search giant still doesn't feel ready enough to enter this new market just yet. A recent report by the New York Times, however, reveals one detail that has made our ears perk up again. Initially, the Google Pixel Fold was allegedly scheduled to release in 2021, but that obviously did not happen and the phone was delayed to a later date. That date could very well be sometime during 2023. The general design of the Pixel Fold has also been revealed thanks to secret illustrations that were found in the Android 12L beta. So the first image shows us the Pixel Fold in the closed position with the SIM removal tool, and in the second image, it shows us a fully open Pixel Fold with the SIM card going into the bottom of the fold. It's assumed that these are obviously going to be part of the SIM insertion animation that users are going to see when setting up the Pixel Fold. Mirroring the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and currently the Pixel Fold is assumed to rely on the Tensor G2, the same chipset that powers the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, and next year in the Pixel tablet. The main camera on the Pixel Fold is a 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363, and then the secondary camera is a 12 megapixel Sony IMX386, and of course it has an ultra-wide lens, and two selfie cameras which are both 8 megapixel Sony IMX355s. This is no doubt going to be one camera on the cover display, then another camera on the main display. There's also many rumors still about in-display selfie cameras on the Pixel Fold. The main display will apparently feature a peak brightness of 1200 nits with an average brightness of 800 nits, and support for a max resolution of 1840 by 2208 pixels. Based on the given dimensions which you're seeing on the screen now, the Pixel Fold's primary screen diagonal could come in at around 7.6 inches. And if that is the case, then the display would have a 379 ppi pixel density and a 6:5 aspect ratio. And by contrast, 9:5 Google believes that the outer display has a 2100 by 1080 pixel resolution, hinting at a wider but shorter footprint than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unsurprisingly, the Pixel Fold is rumored to feature a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint sensor. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.